Hey everybody, I just wanted to check in with you now that week one's over and we're starting in week two. Week one went well. I think almost everybody got set up with the discussion group and with the shared drive, so thank you for that. Sorry about the textbook mix up. I hope everybody's squared away on that. Just let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to contact me about anything. Material this week. So last week you did volumes by cross-sectional slices. This week you'll look at a new technique called cylindrical shells, a different way of slicing it up. And then you'll look at arc length. How do you find the length of a curve using integration? Quizzes. I will be working on those. I'll be grading them today, maybe into tomorrow. But when you go back into your Google Drive, you should see the file there now with my grading marks on it. And typically I'll go through and grade them and then afterwards put the grades in the grade book. So you may not see your score go into D2L until Tuesday, even if it gets graded on Monday or earlier. For those of you that do quizzes earlier in the week, I try and grade some as they come in. So if you do your quizzes earlier as opposed to later, you may see those grades go in even sooner. Oh yeah, and about submitting the quizzes, remember PDFs only, and you don't need to share the individual files with me. Since your folder is shared with me, anything that goes into that folder is shared with me, so you don't have to do any sharing of individual files. I have added a page to the website with solutions. So look for that. I've got last week's quizzes solutions up now, and I'll do that every week on Monday. And then after our exams, I'll post the exam solutions on that page as well. Discussions went pretty good last week. Just remember, I'm not looking for repeated answers from everybody. Just read and see what other people have posted and join the conversation. So sometimes I'll follow up people's comments with questions. Those questions are open to everybody. This is supposed to simulate what normally happens in class. So if you read someone's comment and it looks like they've answered the way you would have, you don't need to say anything. But if there's a follow-up, or even if you need a clarification, if my answer back to someone doesn't make sense to you, feel free to reply asking me to clarify something. So I want that to be more of a conversation, not just 24 copies of the same response to the question. And then tests. If you are going to be taking tests at a testing center other than the one here on Johnson County campus, please take care of that right away. A lot of places have a form you have to fill out since they'll be coordinating with our testing center. So if you are going to be taking tests somewhere else, let me know right away. And visit that testing center and make sure you do whatever paperwork you need to do. You don't want to wait until the first test to do that. So I hope it's going smoothly for everybody, and good luck with week two, and I'll be in contact with you throughout the week. All right, bye.